Hello everyone. Welcome to another free Capstone project idea presented by our team entitled Employee Leave Management. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates. The Capstone project entitled Employee Leave Management is a database system that records and automate the leave application and credits of an employee in an organization. The team can develop the project in two versions. 1. Web and mobile-based version using PHP, MySQL, Bootstrap, and Android development. 2. Standalone or network-based using Visual Basic and MySQL/MariaDB. In business industries, technology played a vital role in making every business transactions easier by using different systems. In businesses, employers want to keep employees in work at all time, but it is not possible. Employees deserve their fair share of time to rest and recuperate, so business organizations must grant work leaves to their employees because overworked employees are unproductive. 1. To address this situation, the researcher of the proposed study entitled Employee Leave Management System aimed to provide a platform wherein managing of employees' leave will be automated in a hassle-free manner for both the management and the employees. Navigating efficiently the leave request of the employees is very important, and without leave management system it is very tricky and challenging. Within just one misstep in the process, it can cause problems to the organization, especially in payroll processing and legal complications. The proposed system would be the solution in handling all the stages involved in leave management, such as application, approval/rejection, filing leaves, managing leave balance, and analysis. The proposed system will make an improvement from the manual system of managing employees' leave request. This will eliminate paperwork and will not require a lot of time and effort from both sides. In general, the project aims to automate and replace the manual method into automated or database-oriented project. In specific objectives, the project aims to 1. To provide a system that would serve as a centralized location for work leave requests. 2. To provide a system that would help business organizations process efficiently the transactions involving work leave filing and applications. 3. To provide an up-to-date information system for leave management. 4. To provide a system that would reduce the manual work of a business. 5. To design a system that is more convenient and has a comfortable environment for the administrators and the users. The following individual or groups will benefit from the project. Admin/management. The system will help the admins in processing the leave requests of different employees. The system will ensure smooth functioning of their operations. The use of the system will lessen the problem that they might encounter in the organizations. User. The success of this system will significantly benefit the users, for it will be very easy for them to file for work leave. They will have a platform wherein they will not lose track of their leave balances and will let them know when will be the perfect time to file for leave. Future researchers. The future researchers may integrate the project in other information system, such as the employee profiling, attendance, and payroll system.
Thank you for watching. For more free Capstone projects ideas and resources, please subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates on our channel. You may also reach us on our Facebook page and website.